Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak. This is Fatima Shams. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to tell you about how to make lemon juice. So let's start. First of all, take a fresh glass of water. Add some sugar. A pinch of salt. Stir them. Squeeze the lemon. Stir them again. Now it's ready to drink. You can decorate the glass like this. You know, lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C. It boosts our energy. It helps to fight virus. That's all for today. Thank you.